See one more problem of non-square matrix. So let's see, a fast food chain wants to build 4 stores. In the past, the chain has used 6 different construction companies, and having been satisfied with each, and has invited them to bid for each job. So the final bids, that is in thousand of rupees, are shown in the following table. See, 4 stores are there and 6 construction companies are there, and dealing with the first, second, third, fourth and fifth and sixth construction companies, these are in 1000 rupees. So 85,000 rupees, 85.3 thousand rupees means 85,30,000 rupees, 90,000 rupees, then 70,000 rupees in this. Okay, 87,000 rupees. So since the fast food chain wants to have each of the new store ready as quickly as possible, so 4 stores required to be ready. So if it will allot at most 1 job to 1 construction company, what assignment will result in the minimum total cost? Okay, so you have to choose any 4 construction companies out of 6. Now you solve this problem with the help of assignment modeling. So, but is it square? It is not square. 4 rows are there and 6 columns are there. To make it square, so first step is to make it square. To make it square, you have to consider dummy rows. And how many dummy rows are required? 2 dummy rows you have to require. 2 dummy rows. So prepare a square matrix. As the problem involves a non-square 4x6 matrix, 2 dummy stores, say D1, D2, are added with 0 cost for each associated cell. Also, all the elements are multiplied by 10 and the cost in hundreds of rupees is given. So you can do this. So you can write, or you can multiply with 1000, no problem, but the space problem is there. So as there are decimals, to cut out the decimals, 87.5, 82.4, so you multiply it with 10 so that you can simply just add and subtract. So this is the matrix. Now we'll solve by row minima method. In the first row, what is the minimum value? In the first row, you can see in the first row the minimum value is 824 is the minimum value. Okay, now you subtract it from all other elements. So 853 minus 824, 900 minus 824, 875 minus 824. Okay, in this way you can subtract. Similarly, second here, in second also you can do this. 789, 845, so you can do. In third row, the minimum value is 285. In third, minimum value is 285. So you choose this 285 and subtract it from all other elements. In fourth row, minimum value is 346. Okay, in this way you subtract and get the table. Once you get the table, now you start assignment. So the values you have subtracted, that cell becomes 0. Now you start assigning. So first you choose this 0 as an assignment. All other zeros make it cross. In second row there is 1 0. All other zeros in the same row and column cross. In third row there is 1 0. Assign it. All other zeros in the same column and row are 0 cross. Fourth, you assign and all other zeros make it cross. Then fifth, you assign all other zeros make cross. Okay, so for this problem, in first attempt itself, you got 6 assignments. So 6 stores, 6 companies and 6 assignments. Means it is a feasible solution. It is an optimal solution. It is an optimal solution. Okay, directly you got the solution here. So check the proceeding. So we find there is an assignment in every row and every column. So 1 to 6 every column there is assignment, and 1 to 3 4 D1 D2 every column has assignment. So it is assigned properly. And choose 1 to 4 assignments. Here the D1 D2 assignments, the values are zeros, so you can neglect in the final calculation, and total cost is 2,24,400. Okay, so this is what the solution is. Okay, such problems we'll see in next lecture also. Okay, thank you.